Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Asad Yaqub. Finally, I got my coffee. ओके, कॉफ़ी पीने का मज़ा तो ग्लोरिया जीन्स में आता है और सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा कॉफ़ी पीने का तब आता है जब आपकी कॉफ़ी फ्री की हो। शुमाइला ने क्या विन किया? कॉफ़ी की जो अरोमा है ना, ग्लोरिया जीन्स में जब आप एंटर्ड होते हैं तो इनकी जो एक सिग्नेचर कॉफ़ी की अरोमा है वो आपको वेलकम करती है। Finally, I got my coffee. So guys, today we are enjoying free coffee. Let me tell you, whenever Gloria Jeans, they advertise anything, they offer any quiz or any question they ask you, you must answer that question, because this is how you can actually win free coffee, like we won free coffee. Okay, so this is all awesome, and now we're gonna enjoy this coffee along with cheesecake, I guess. Yes, it's fine. Yeah, we do have cheesecake as well. So always remember, life is full of happiness. It's up to you. Go and grab your cup of coffee. Now, cup of coffee is glass of coffee. Actually, it's a symbol. It's basically a symbol. So, symbol of happiness. Now, my happiness is associated with this coffee. Your happiness may be associated with something else. But anyways, ever since I started my professional career, Gloria Jeans Coffee has actually supported me. In other words, I would say after drinking coffee, I always have great ideas, and these great ideas made my present from the past. And as I continue to sip this coffee, this is going to make my future as well, because you know, when you sip coffee, you have great ideas. All the best guys. Thank you.